Okay, let me start today's session. Good afternoon, one and all. Today's problem is a fluid. There is a fluid flow which is represented mathematically. V is equals to x square yi plus y square zj minus of 2xyz plus yz square of k. For this flow, at a point 2 comma 1 comma 3, at a point 2 comma 1 comma 3 is asking acceleration and velocity. Also is asking whether this flow following continuity equation or not. Whether this flow following continuity, that is another question. And also asking, is this flow steady or not? So basically steady continuous flow or not, he is asking. So we know already for steady flow, the equation what we derived in the last class is, if you observe, you can go to your what is that continuity equation derivation and check there. You will have a final end answer as dou u by dou x plus dou v by dou y plus dou w by dou z is equals to 0. This was the condition for continuity steady equation. So steady and incompressible fluid flow. This was the equation we derived in the last class. So from this, so if you observe, this was the equation given in the problem. If you compare this ui plus vj plus wk, then you will get u term as x square y, v term as y square z, and w term as minus 2xyz plus yz square. This was the w term. So what we have to do, we have to differentiate this UVW with reference to x and y and z and substitute in the base equation. If the base equation satisfies, then this equation is a steady flow equation. So for that, what we have to do is, I have to do dou u by dou x. You do dou u by dou x, what will be the dou u by dou x? So it is 2x square y, sorry 2xy, and dou v by dou x I am doing, sorry dou v by dou y I need, so dou v by dou y I will do, then it comes out to be 2yz, and if you do dou w by dou z, it comes out to be, there is a minus, so minus is multiplied both sides, minus 2xy minus 2yz. Now substitute these three equations in this, that is 2xy which is equals to plus 2yz minus of 2xy. So if I remove the bracket, then minus sign is will go out. Okay, minus 2yz. If you observe 2yz, 2yz, 2xy, 2xy, then equation is 0. That means whatever the flow condition given to you, it is a steady flow and it is a possible flow and it follows the continuity equation. If you go further, now he is asking what is the velocity at 2 comma 1 comma 3 as well as acceleration is asking. First we will solve velocity, then we go for acceleration. Coming to the velocity, if you observe your fluid flow, u is equals to, already I wrote there, x square y. So at a point 2 comma 1 comma 3 is needed. 2 is 2 square, 1 is 1, 2 square is 4, 4 into 1 it is 4. So velocity v component is y square z. So if you substitute y square z, it is 1 square into third z component is 3. Then it comes out to be 3. And w component. What is w component in the question? If you observe, this is the w component minus of 2xyz plus yz square is the w component. So if we substitute the variables in the w component at 2 comma 1 comma 3, it comes out to be 2 into x is 2 into y is 1 and z is 3 minus of, again this is minus, y is 1 and z is 3 square, 1 into 3 square. If you calculate with the help of calculator, it comes out to be minus 21. Now I need resultant velocity. Our velocity at that particular point 2 comma 1 comma 3 for this flow, it written as 4 square plus 3 square plus minus of 21 square comes out to be 4 fours are 16, 3 threes are 9 and 21 21s are, it is 441. You substitute, you will get a resultant velocity of 21.587 meters per second. Now I need acceleration at that point. The question, if you observe, I need acceleration also at the same point. For that, what I am doing, I am writing acceleration equations. What is the acceleration equations? We know resultant acceleration is the square root of acceleration along x square plus acceleration along y square plus acceleration along z square. This was the equation for us. So if you write acceleration along x, I will write acceleration along x. In the last class, we already wrote this equation: u into dou u by dou x plus v into dou u by dou y plus w into dou u by dou z. This was the equation last class we derived for acceleration along x. So if I write acceleration along x, it comes out to be, what is the value of u from the question? Is x square y. You can check from the question. U is equals to x square y u v w. You can. It's better to write that flow condition. Then only you'll understood this easily. Okay. So x square y. So first what I need, I want to differentiate u. U is equals to x square y. I wish to differentiate u with reference to x as well as with reference to y with reference to z. Then only I will substitute easily. So I'll write dou u by dou x. If you observe, there is x component. So x square is there, then 2 x y. This is the acceleration, sorry, differentiation along x. So if you do differentiation along y, it comes out to be x squared. There is no z term in this, then the differentiation is constant 0. Then dou u by dou x is 2xy plus v is, what is the variable v? So if you observe from the question, it is y square z. It is y square z. So I am taking v as it is y square z. So it is y square z into dou u by dou y is x square from this plus w is w I know, but if you observe carefully, dou u by dou z is 0, then no need to write this, it comes out to be 0. Then the acceleration along x at a point 2 comma 1 comma 3, because the question is given in 2 comma 1 comma 3, it comes out to be 2 square into 1 of multiply basically 2 into 1 into 2, sorry, it is 1 into 2, no problem, plus y square, y is 1 square into z is 3 into x square is 2 square. So if you do calculation for this, then you will get acceleration along x as 28. Let me check this with calculator, and if any discrepancy you can tell me once in the class. So if you observe acceleration along y, now parallelly I want to write acceleration along y. The acceleration along y equation is u into dou v by dou x plus v into dou v by dou y plus w into dou v by dou z. This is the equation for acceleration along y. For that, acceleration along y, if you write what is u, this is x square y, and what is v. So first what I will do, I'll differentiate a side, then you will get clarity basically. So if you observe v is equals to, what is the variable v? Y square z. So I need dou v with reference to x, then there is no x component 0. Dou v with reference to y, if you observe it is 2yz, and dou v with reference to z, so it comes out to be y square. So if you substitute all variables in the equation, then it is 0, no need to write actually, then it is 0 plus v I know, y square into z into dou v by dou y is 2yz plus I know w as minus of, you observe what is w from the equation, it is minus of 2xy plus yz square. So same thing I am writing here, minus of 2xy plus yz square. Now what is dou v by dou z into y square. So if you substitute ay at your point, what is the point given to you? 2 comma 1 comma 3. At this point I need acceleration. Then if it comes out to be, what is y square? Then 1 square into what is that? 3 of 2 into 1 into 3 minus, it is not equal, minus bracket start 2 into x is 2, y is 1 plus 1 into 3 square into y square is 1 square. You substitute this in the calculator, then you will get a variable that is ay. This value is comes out to be minus 3 units. Now I need acceleration along z. So for that I am writing the equation. So we know acceleration along z can be written as u into dou w by dou x plus v into dou w by dou y plus w into dou w by dou z. This was the equation for acceleration along z. Then acceleration along z can be written as q is x square y into, first I need what is dou w by dou x. For that first I'll write what is w. W I know, which is equals to minus 2xyz minus yz square. This is w. So if you write dou w by dou x, there is no x component in this, it comes out to be 0 and it becomes minus 2yz. Clear, I hope. Then dou w by dou y is written as, if you observe, there's a y term here and y term here as well. So if you differentiate this properly, then it comes out to be minus xz minus z square. Dou w by dou z is written as, if you observe z term here as well as here, then it comes out to be minus 2xy minus then 2 into yz. This is the partial differentiation of this variable. Now you substitute all this into this, then you will get acceleration along z. So we will do that. Dou w by dou x is comes out to be 2yz plus, what is v variable? Already we know this, y square z into minus 2xz minus z square. Okay, then minus of, because w is minus of 2xyz plus yz square. Okay, now dou w by dou z also, if you take, it is minus of 2xy plus 2yz. Simply what I did, I wrote like this. Now if substitute these all variables, sorry, substitute x, y, z in this at 2 comma 1 comma 3, because this is the point where he is interested in the problem, then you will get acceleration along z as, let me check, 1 2 3. The value of az is comes out to be 123. Now I need resultant acceleration, which is equals to square root of acceleration along x square plus acceleration along y square plus acceleration along z square. So if we observe this, what is acceleration along x? That is 28 square. Acceleration along y is minus of 3 square plus 123 square. Then if you solve this in the calculator, then you will get the resultant acceleration, that is acceleration at 2 comma 1 comma 3 point, which comes out to be 128 meter per second square, or you may write units because no meter seconds are given in the question. With this I wish to close today's session. Thank you one and all.